Hi, M5517. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employees in Hong Kong. I'm Clarissa Joy D. Ilagan from Sinulong, Batangas City. I'm 37 years old. I got married but I'm separated already.
Okay.
I have one daughter. My highest attempted education is college but I'm undergraduated. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, and singing.
Okay,
And
your
also,
course on college? What is your course on college?
and, computer,
Computer.
IT, computer.
Okay, information technology.
Yes,
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm cooking and I'm washing the dish and cleaning the house and marketing.
Okay. And you're also taking care of pets, right?
Yes,
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
one dog.
Okay, and you're also taking care of children,
Yes,
which
sir.
is 3 and 7 years old,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, the question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hand and bottle and sterilize the bottle and put the amount of water and milk and I will shake and keep it to the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper is full and I will check the temperature.
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature and the diaper of the baby, and also do everything to make the baby stop to cry, doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call the attention of parents
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the Hong Kong is high salary and safety place.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay.
Okay. So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employers want you to extend.
Yes,
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were relatives or they were fixing something inside the house and they want to go inside? What will you do?
I will.
What will you do if there is someone outside the house telling that they were relatives or they were fixing something inside the house? What will you do?
First, I will check the sensor and call the employer.
So, if the employer don't know the person outside of the house, what will you do?
I will not to check in to.
So you will not let them in
Yes.
inside the house
Yes,
and you will not entertain them.
yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn?
In your dish.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I will I will I will watch the YouTube and I will read the books
Cookbooks.
books cook.
Okay, you will read some cookbooks. Okay, and if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves and also for their families, you can also watch them or help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer provide foods that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom, to
Yes.
hospital for checkups.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employers want you to work on Sunday or on a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me and I promise to finish my contract and finish my contract and with you still wants me.
You're willing to extend.
Yes, sir.
And also, can you promise that you will take good care of your children as your own children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Clarissa Joy.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.